Hello everyone. I like to talk about video as a material for online classes. It's an amazing thing. It basically makes the whole class more interactive. For me, I mean, when you see a video, there are a lot of senses that works in you. That's the amazing part. The child engages with the material in many levels, and you can actually create an interaction with that. And also for me, I think the class becomes more immersive, and there is more of input from the child when they can relate with the material more. It's fun. So when it's fun, you are immersive and you're more engaging with the lifelong learning. So I think videos make it more possible for me to informally also approach the kids with a particular topic or a subject. And the third that I would like to talk about is the ability to engage with the class or the topic in multi-sensory way. Why multi-sensory? Because you use your eyes, you use your ears, you talk, so you kind of engaging with the outside world and bringing it inside the class, and that's how you make the whole topic more relatable. And that's how it works. And for me, like I am a fine art teacher, so I use a lot of demonstrations to make the class more interesting, make it more happening. So demonstrative videos also work very well for my specific class requirements. So I think video in overall makes the whole class more engaged in learning. It is more experiential in approach, and obviously I love videos. It's fun. We can watch videos all the time, and if it becomes a learning procedure, so nothing like it. So thumbs up for videos and online learning. Thank you.